Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can disable updates for your games in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is right click on whatever game you got in library, go to properties, and you're gonna see here updates, and you're gonna see like the automatic updates here, and you're gonna see always keep this game up to date, and you can choose between free, only update this game when you launch it, or high priority. I recommend, if you want to disable, just click here the only update this game when I launch it, and that's like the best thing you can do. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And also never allow background downloads while playing the game. So this is how we can actually disable the automatic updates. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.